Good morning and welcome to day one here at SMTAi 2019. Always got a packed program at this show. It's the best technical conference in the United States, and this year is absolutely no exception. It is a Productronica year, so you would expect that there's not going to be an awful lot of new innovation here this week, but you would be wrong. There's quite a few new things that we're going to be looking at, and the first of them is sitting right next to me. Welcome Chris Fredrickson, who's the Director of Engineering at Insituware. You're a division of Systems Innovation Engineering.
Yep.
Welcome, Chris.
Thanks.
Okay, so you're here to tell us today about a really novel new measurement product. It's an inspection and measurement device for measuring cleanliness of boards and various other features. Tell us a little bit about it, would you?
Yeah, so what we have here is we're coming out with a new handheld device for the inspection and quality control of materials used in manufacturing. So we're trying to bring many of the new measurement capability to the factory floor for applications such as cleanliness testing and measuring whether or not a solder paste is fit for use and will print properly.
Right. So this is the device here I'm looking at, and I believe that it's this is the measurement part of it, but you have different modules that plug into the end of it. Is that correct?
Yeah. So what we have here is we are able to. It's a modular platform where we're able to expand the functionality with new capabilities such as electrochemical measurements and near-infrared spectroscopy for many different applications.
Right. So tell me a little bit more about how each of these works. I mean, first of all, you're looking at the cleanliness testing. How does the module work?
Yeah, so the way we're approaching this is we're really looking at the underlying mechanism of corrosion. So in this particular case, the module, the way it works is we're looking at electrochemical corrosion measurements using an approach called TAFL analysis, where we're able to look at actually the amount of metal that's being removed from the surface, which is really the underlying mechanism of corrosion here.
Right, okay. So, and it's not dissimilar to SIR, surface insulation resistance, is it?
Yep, so the difference between SIR and what we're doing is SIR is actually looking at the result of the corrosion. So you're looking at the result of that dendritic growth.
Right.
In this particular case, we're looking at the underlying mechanism of that corrosion that would then result in the SIR test performance.
Okay. So what other modules do you have that plug into this unit?
Yeah, sure. So the first one that we're launching with is the electrochemical measurement. The next one is using near-infrared spectroscopy, where we can identify the source of a residue and other applications as well.
Right. So obviously being a handheld device in nature, it's gathering the information immediately, so you're getting real-time results on the factory floor.
Absolutely. So the benefit of this is we're able to actually push that measurement capability to the floor itself. So you can really gain insights immediately.
So is the plan to develop more modules to do other types of measurement testing in the factory?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. So presumably if somebody buys the one handheld unit, then they can invest or not invest in the new modules as they come out.
Absolutely. So we're building it as a completely modular platform, so we can both deploy new functionality by releasing a new module, or if there are other materials that we can measure using the same technique, remotely deploy new functionality purely in software.
Great, okay. So is this unit available now, or is it due to be launched sometime in the future?
It will be available in Q1 of next year, and we're rolling into our beta test period right now.
Okay. So I'm guessing people can find out more information on your website, which is that insituware.com?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, great. Well, Chris, thank you very much for coming in today and telling us about the new machine. Does it have a name or a model number?
It is called the Vision MARK-1.
Okay, the Vision MARK-1. So there you go. Brand new product there from Insituware.